How is this considered nude? What is happening? Hey guys, today we are doing a dollar store makeup haul. I grabbed a handful of products. I did try to get a full face worth. It just wasn't happening. The concealer, foundation, everything was way too dark for me. I don't know if they were just sold out of the lighter shades or they didn't carry them, but wasn't able to make it work. I'm talking with my hands a lot already. I don't know why that is. I'm gonna tape them to my sides. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I got all of these products from the local Dollar Tree. I don't know if they have the Dollar Tree where you're from. I do want to mention that this store does sell e.l.f. products. I chose not to purchase them just because I can get them at a drugstore or a Walmart. I wanted to stick specifically with ones, actually I don't even know, maybe these I can get at other stores too. These are brands I'm not familiar with and honestly kind of looks like play makeup. All right, number one, I got a beauty sponge. The packaging, why can't I say the word packaging? What is happening? The packaging calls this a blender sponge. It is by Sassy and Chic. Yep, if you're thinking it looks like a butt, you'd be right. I already got this damp, so I wanted to point out that this actually is double the size that it started off, and it feels like a really decent quality. I don't know, it doesn't feel cheap so far. Because this isn't a full face, yet again, I'm going to skip through all of the products I'm not testing out, but you will be able to find it listed in the description box below. And also, I've been picking my lips again. Let's just point out all of my flaws. I guess, actually, this covers a decent amount of surface area in one go. Not mad at that. And I don't find that it's absorbing any more product than my Beauty Blender does. Yeah, wow. I feel like I need to go buy like 17 more of these. Did I already tell you guys about my basement lights that my husband switched out recently? If not, you are in for a treat. He had to get like those long industrial light bulbs, and he got the right size, but he didn't look at what kind of bulbs they were. He got bulbs for a fish tank. So now my whole laundry and filming room have a nice bubblegum pink hue. I'm gonna use the same sponge to blend my under eye. I feel like it's a little bit awkward to get into the inner corner with this guy just because it's so bulbous. Like it literally fills my entire eye socket. Okay, cool. So this sponge, quality-wise, is kick-ass. The fact that this end is so huge makes applying the foundation super quick. This side, it's a little bit big and not tapered enough for me to do the under eye concealer, but I think I would probably just suck it up because it is a genuinely decent sponge. I don't have my receipt because I'm an idiot and I told the guy I didn't need it, but I believe that along with all of the other products we're going to try out, this cost $1. How much do beauty blenders cost? I'm just saying. Okay, the next thing we're going to try out is this LA Colors 12 color eyeshadow palette. I feel like this brand used to be sold at drugstores. Maybe it still is, but I haven't seen it there in a little while. Palette itself feels like it cost me $1. Comes with one of these little applicators that we love so much. And these are the colors. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do today. Should I do my eyebrows first, actually? Yep. What's that SpongeBob cutscene everyone uses? 2 hours later. I am gonna try the white one. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I am very surprised that this is not super chalky when I'm picking it up. This one is definitely dustier. It's going on surprisingly pigmented. I feel like this is the exact color I would expect looking at the color in the pan. And it's actually blending out really nicely too. Seriously, how is this blending out so nicely? The thing about this palette is that the deeper shades are all shimmer. So if you don't like that, then you may not be a fan of this. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into this guy for my outer corner. This one's not picking up too chalky either. Oh, my brush is wet. That's probably why. This one is not super pigmented. Is that built up enough? Debatable. Another color I kind of wanted to play with is this guy. So I'm going to go into that. See, now I think that one's more pigmented than the last one was. And I do feel like I need a little bit more depth on the outside, so I'm going to go into that guy now. It's a little bit better than the first shade I chose for the outer corner. For $1 though? For the inner corner, I am gonna go into this guy using my finger. Ooh, she comes up clumpy. I'm neither here nor there about this one. Okay, for under eye, even though this is a shimmer technically, I'm gonna go into this guy and see. Okay, now I'm going into the smudgy brush and I'm going into the darkest shade in the palette again, smudging it along my lash line. Okay, my thoughts on this. I actually surprisingly really like this as well. It sounded like I was choking. I was not choking. Again, that cost me somewhere around $1, and I feel like this is a pretty decent eye look considering. Oh my god, how long have my lips looked like that? Sorry. Alright, now that the eyes are done, we're going to try out some contour. This is by Cosmic Colors. It says contour. I don't know if number 3 is the shade. What is this little applicator going to do for my contour? Okay, just a bit of a size difference here. Color-wise, I'm a little bit nervous. Yeah, I don't hate that at all. What is happening? I 100% thought I would get on here and walk away looking like a kid that got into her mom's makeup stash in the 90s. I don't know why this doesn't suck. It cost me $1. I'm already seeing the applicator on this one. It makes me laugh. The powder blush by LA Colors. It's in the color Pink Blush. Whoever came up with the name of that company. Huge bonus that year. See, this is what makes me think of like a little kid playing with makeup. Oh, it looks almost like white on my brush. Ooh. Oh, that's not even gonna... Honestly, the train had to stop somewhere. Okay, if this is too late for me, I'm pretty pasty. I literally don't know who this would work on. Do you guys mind if I real quick throw on an actual blush? You don't mind. Of course you don't mind. For the record, before I do this, the blush is a no for me. All right, now we're gonna try a highlighter. Honestly, I just think it's gonna look like a bunch of shimmer on my face. What is that? This is also by Cosmic Colors. That is not bad. Guys, I don't know how I'm pulling this off, but I don't look like complete fungus. Oh, Jesus. Started opening it before I showed you. This is Nude Liquid Lipstick, Mariposa. 24 hours lasting with all day comfort. This is pretty pink. This nude, I don't know. How is this considered nude? It smells nice. What even is this color? It's reflecting the light. It could blind you. It could be pretty transfer proof. But who the hell wants this color on their mouth? Oh. What is happening? Well, that just makes it shiny. Oh my god. And my makeup wipe is struggling to get it off me. The lipstick is out. It's another no. That's it, you guys. This is the finished look. So to wrap it up, for $7, I'm not complaining. The lipstick is going in the garbage. I hope you found this interesting. I hope I didn't talk with my hands as much as I am thinking that I did. Or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you're trying to do. And I hope to see you back at some point. Bye!